Hello, welcome to Retail Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to make a one off payment of your eBay fees. So, once you have logged into your eBay account, you have to go to Seller Hub and under Account Summary. And by the way, this account is on Manage Payments. So, the final value fees is being deducted straight away from the sales. So the only leftover will be the shop fees and the promoted listing fees. So as you can see from here, I'm going to pay the fees for the December 2020, which stands as 236.80. So I'm just going to select that and click go. You can download a CSV file if you want of the full report, the detailed report. Click go, and that's going to open. And if you scroll down, you will able to see the breakdown page 2, 3, 4. So all the breakdown will be the full transaction details. I will highly recommend that you download the Excel and check it. And sometimes they do make mistakes as well. And as you can see, the total is 1,494.58. But after, because it's been paid of managed payment, the payment has been taken already for the final values. So the rest of them are there, and it is standing at 236.80. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy it because I want to make sure that it matches the invoice. You have to click a one-off payment. So click on that. And from here, you can paste the exact amount. Normally it will fill with the whatever it's due at the time you are entering. So we don't want that. I want the same amount as in the invoice. So it's easy for accounting purposes. And from here, click continue. And you can either pay with PayPal or with credit or debit card. So in this case, I want to use my American Express card so I can get some points as well. But with the credit or debit card, you don't have that option. You can see there's Visa or MasterCard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click PayPal, and I'm going to use PayPal to channel my American Express card. So I'm just going to click login, and from here, I'm going to select the American Express. Please bear with me. So as you can see, this is the first card. It's there. It's already been selected by default. And I'm going to click continue. And click make one-time payment. So it will take a few hours to get the confirmation to refresh the system. So it will say we are processing your payment. We'll update in some cases we'll get an email as well saying that the payment has been made, just to confirm, but it will take some time to reflect it. So please be patient. I hope this video helps, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below. And we do post a lot of videos about eBay and Amazon. So if that's something interesting, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next time. Thanks a lot for watching.
And remember, if you sell on eBay or Amazon and have a few questions, then you can also book a free 30-minute consultation from the link in the description below.